Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of social psychology. Our first question is our sense of being male and female. Given options are A. Gender role, B. Gender identity, C. Gender individuality, D. Gender function. So your correct answer is option B. Gender identity. Our next question. The ego's protective method of unconsciously reducing anxiety is. Given options are A. Withdrawal, B. Self-guard, C. Defense mechanism, D. Resistance. So your correct answer is option C. Defense mechanism. Next question. A fear of unfamiliar people which emerges at 6 to 9 months of age. Given options are A. Separation anxiety, B. Stranger anxiety, C. Phobia, D. Emotional regulation. Your correct answer is option B. Stranger anxiety. Next question. Classical conditioning approach was given by. Given options are Thorndike, B. Lev Vygotsky, C. Ivan Pavlov, D. None of these. Your correct answer is option C. Ivan Pavlov. Next question. This loss does not have to cause social isolation and emotional distress. Given options are A. Language, B. Hearing, C. Vision, D. All of these. The correct answer is option B. Hearing. Our next question. Des believes that human behavior is learned. Given options are A. Bernard, C. Skinner, C. Piaget, D. Bandura. So here correct answer is D. Bandura. Next question. They are often a damage for themselves and each other. Given options are infants, B. Toddlers, C. Adolescents, D. Adults. The correct answer is B. Toddlers. Next question. MC Milan placed high value of the education of dash. Given options are A. Imagination, B. Modeling, C. Creativity, D. Play. The correct answer is option A. Imagination. Next question. Froebel's educational philosophy was based on. Given options are A. Culture, B. Religion, C. Values, D. Beliefs. The correct answer is option B. Religion. Our next question. This emphasize the importance of curriculum. Given options are A. Maria Montessori, B. Margaret, C. MC Milan, D. Catherine. The correct answer is option D. Catherine.